To the Nature Girls.
We will be reading Log Hotel, written by Anne Screiber and illustrated by Debbie Pinkney. This oak tree has been living in the forest for 100 years. One day, a strong wind knocks the tree down. The tree falls to the ground. Now the tree is a log. Soon, ants and beetles move in and eat the log. They drill small tunnels in the log as they eat. The tunnels help to make the log soft as it decays. This woodpecker is listening for bugs inside the log. As soon as it hears a bug, it drills through the bark to catch it. Tap, tap, tap. Soon living things called fungi grow on the log. Inside the log, fungi look like spaghetti. Outside the log, fungi looks like mushrooms. Snails and slugs move in. They creep through the tunnels as they hunt for fresh fungi and dead beetles and ants to eat. The tunnels get bigger. The log gets softer. A snake slithers through the log. It is looking for a place to rest for the winter. Soft moss grows on the log. Green ferns grow in and around the log. This log is like a plant, an animal hotel. As time goes on, more and more plants and animals move in. The log gets softer and softer. Now the shape of the log is hard to see. Earthworms eat what is left of the log. The earthworms turn what they eat into soil. The soil is the perfect place for a seed to grow. The seed will grow into a tree. One day the tree will fall. It too will become a log hotel.
Ian. Nature Girls.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
When the nature girls see a log, they like to see what's underneath it. Some termites eating the fallen logs. Cool little critters. The nature girls love them. Creatures under the log hotel. Eastern redback salamander.